Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to cancel a bid or retract a bid in eBay. So as you can see, I'm currently bidding on this graphic card over here for the purpose of this video. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to cancel the bid. So for doing that, what you have to do is simply click on help and contact over here. Then just simply scroll down and click on buying. Now again, just simply scroll down and over here you will find the option of retract a bid. Click on it. Now wait for a few seconds and over here you will find your bidding. So all you have to do is just simply click on retract a bid, then choose your bid, then fill out all the details over here, choose the reason why you're retracting your bid, then hit continue. Then in the end you will find entire detail about what is happening, the amount you have bid on the product that you have bid, and the item number and the date you bid. And after reading all of the information, if you want to still cancel the bid, just simply click on retract bid. Now over here, just simply hit submit again, and that's it. Your bid has been cancelled, as you can see right over here. Now if you go back to the bid, there will be nothing. So as you can see, I currently have no bid. I can also show you by going into the buying option, then retract a bid, and there is no more bid over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.